The old roof's been stripped off, and all the blackberries have been cut out, and we found a pond there that was all covered when I got here 2 weeks ago. And then we found this big giant parking spot that was covered with blackberry bushes, and this roof has been removed, so it's ready for shingles that's coming Friday. And I just filled up a second dumpster, so a new one's coming tomorrow. So making progress, but the yard really needs a lot more cutting back. Oh, they got off the hot tub and cut it up so it's ready to get disposed of. But a lot of cutting in this yard.